Okay, this is homework section 3.5. Question number 2. The sum of three numbers is 8. The first number minus the second plus the third is 4. The first minus the third is 2 more than the second. Find the numbers. So if I say, first you have to declare the variable. This is question number 2. So let f is the first number. Okay, I'll just use that first letter. And S is the second number. And T is the third number. Okay, you can use X, Y, Z if you want to, but because F first, says S second, it's easy for me to know what letter represents right away. The sum of the three number is 8. So F plus S plus T is 8. And first number minus the second, plus the third is 4. That is the second equation. And the third one would be the first minus the third is equal to more than the second. So we are solving the system equation like this. Now, if you look at this, so the third equation, I'm going to rewrite as F minus S minus T equal 2, because I'm going to subtract S from both sides, all right? So I'm going to just number them. This is a 1, and this is 2, and this is like a revised third, okay? So now you have to decide which letter you want to eliminate, okay? So, well, if I say, well, I'll eliminate S, okay? This S and that S and that S, okay? So to eliminate, this is positive and this is negative. So if I say, okay, I'm going to do 1 plus 2. That way, F plus S plus T equal 8, F minus S plus T equal 4. If I add, like I said, S gets eliminated, is that right? So I have 2F plus 2T is 12. Okay, plus 4 is 12. So I'm going to number this equation 4. Okay, and I also want to add 1 and 3 because 3 is also negative S. So, 1 plus 3. So 1 is F plus S plus T equal 8. The 3 is F minus S minus T equal 2. So when I add as before, F gets cancelled. But not only that, T gets cancelled. Okay, more cancelling is better. So this means 2F equal 10. So right away, when I divide by 2 both sides, I get F equal 5. So I'm going to substitute this F equal 5 in equation 4. So 2 times 5 for F plus 2T equal 12. That means 10 plus 2T equal 12. That gives me T equal 1. So third number is 1, first number is 5. You just need to find the second number. So I'll just go back to the first one. First one says F plus S plus T equal 8. So this is 5 plus S. This is 1 we just found. That means 6 plus S equal 8. When you subtract 6, that gives me S equal 2. Okay, so first number is 5, second number is 2, third number is 1. Okay, let's go to the third one. It is same thing. Okay, I want you to do it. Okay, this almost to repeat. The fourth one, a triangle. Now, so this is question number 4. In a triangle ABC, that when you talk about angle in any triangle, if I call this like angle A and B and C, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is always 180 degree. Okay, they don't tell you, but they assume we already know that. So now let's write down the equation. So first, no matter what, I'll just say A plus B plus C equal 180. A means angle A. Now, the second, that's the first equation, although they don't specify that statement. The second equation B, the measure of angle B is 12 more than 3 times angle A. And the measure of angle C is 48 more than A. We have these 3 equations. But now when I look at this one, angle B is written in terms of A. So is angle C. Okay. So I'll just plug it in, or I'll just substitute right away. That's for the B and that goes to C. Okay. So let me rewrite. A plus 12 plus 3A plus 40A plus A is 180. So I get A, 3A, and A. How many A? I got 5A plus 12 plus 48 is 60 equal 180. So that gives me 5A equal 120. 180 minus 60. Divide by 5 both sides. That gives me A equal 24. Then what is a B? B is 12 plus 3 times 24 from this equation, isn't it? So that gives me 12 plus 72. So there is 84. Well, actually, it's a degree, so you put like a, a little degree symbol there. And then for the same reason, the C, what is a C? C gets from here, is that right? C is simply 48 plus A, 48 plus 24, which is 72. Okay, so what? But they ask, actually, I did way more than they asked. They said, what is angle A? It's 24. Okay, that's the next one. Most nutrients now agree that healthy adult should include 25 to 35 grams of fiber each day. A breakfast of 2 blueberry muffin, 1 banana, 1 cup serving of cereal contains 17 grams of fiber. A breakfast of 1 blueberry muffin, 3 banana, 1 cup of cereal contains 21.5, and 2 blueberry, 1 cereal contains 8 grams of fiber. How much fiber is in each of these foods? Now, so again, so we have 3 muffins and banana and then cereal, right? So I'm going to just use the same thing like I did it before. Let uh, M is amount of fiber in one muffin. Okay. And B is amount of fiber in one banana. And C is same thing, amount of fiber in one cereal, one serving or one cup, one cereal, just say cereal. Okay. One cereal means, one cup serving, one cup serving. Okay. So now we declare the variable, and it's easy to see M for muffin, B for banana, C for cereal. And let's look at the first statement. And breakfast, two blueberry muffins, and one banana, and then one cereal, one serving, has 13. Second statement says a breakfast of one muffin, and three banana, and then one cereal has 21.5. The third statement says two muffins plus one cereal has 8. So we are solving this equation. So as you can see, this setting is very important. So I'm going to number them again, 1 and 2 and 3. So now when I look at this set of equation, this third equation, P is not in there, right? That means you work with these two equations and eliminate B. Okay, this B and this B, they need to be get canceled. So I get equation in M and C only. So how to do that? This is a 3, so I want to make this guy negative 3. So equation 1 times negative 3. Okay, that means negative 3 2m plus 1b plus c. I mean, this 1b, you don't have to write 1. I just want to emphasize 1 banana, okay? Equal negative 3 times 13. I multiply both by negative 3. So it's negative 6m minus 3b minus 3c. You distribute. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Is negative 39. Now, I write this equation 2 underneath. 1m plus 3b. Now, see, I want to cancel this b equal to 21.5. Okay, 21.5. And I'm going to add these two equations. So this 3b get canceled. So I have negative 5m minus 2c, negative 3 and 1, equal to negative what? 17.5. Okay, you add these two numbers. Okay, so that is equation number 4. Okay, so I have 3 and 4. These are two equations that I'm going to work with now. Okay, so now if I write, what is equation 2? Equation 2, if I rewrite here, is 1m. No, not equation 2, equation 3 I'm talking, equation 3, equation 3. So 2m plus c equal 8. That is, I just rewrote equation 3 here, okay? 3 here. So now, if you look at equation 3, now, how about equation 4? this is negative 5m plus 2c equals negative 17.5. So I'm going to multiply this guy by twice. So because I'm going to make this guy 2c. So 4m plus 2c equals 16. I multiply this guy by times 2. And then I'm adding 4 with this. Negative 5m minus 2c equal negative 17.5. Why? I'm going to add, and when I add, these get cancelled. So negative m equal to negative 1.5. That means m equal to 1.5. So 1.5, gram of fiber in one muffin. Okay. So m equal 1.5, then I can get c from here. 2 times 1.5 plus c equal 8. Okay, that means 3 plus c equal 8, then c equal 5. I have muffin 1.5, cereal equal 5. Now what's left? Banana. So we're going to banana, anywhere that you find the equation. How about number 1? 2m, 1bc. It's okay. So 2m plus 1b plus c is 15. But now I know 2 times m is 3 plus b plus c is 5 equal 15. Okay, is that right? Yes. 2 breakfast muffin, 1 banana, 1 Oh, not 15, 13 right there. Wrong number. So 13. This is 13. So now, this is already 8, isn't it? 8 plus b is 13. B is 5. Okay. So that is 5. Let's go to 6. So now, what 6 says? Kyle works at donut factory where 10-ounce cup of coffee is 95 cents. 14-ounce cup costs $1.15, and 20-ounce cup $1.50. So, just you got 3 size coffee. Okay. Okay, as you can see, this is a 10-ounce. Okay. This is 14 ounce, right? This is how big? 20 ounce, right? This one sells for 95 cents, 0.95. This one says $1.15. Okay, and put the dollar sign there. And the biggest one sells for $1.50. That's the story here, isn't it? Okay. So now, during one busy period, Kyle served 23 cups. Okay. So this is X number of cups, Y number of cups, Z number of cups. He sold altogether 23 cups. So X plus Y plus Z equal 23. So X, Y, Z they represent what? Number of cups, okay, of each side. Okay. So now, some of that is 23. And then altogether, he sold, they spent 344 ounces of coffee. So now this is 10 ounce and X number of cups, so this is 10X. Next one is 14 ounce, so 14Y. And then the largest, Z, so there will be 20Z. This is the amount of coffee they consume. How much? 344 ounces. And then how much money they collect? Each cup they charge 95 cents, each cup of coffee. So 0.95x plus 1.15y plus 1.50z is $28. Okay, so this is the number of cups, this amount of coffee, this money they generate. Okay, all right. So now some has decimal. So what I'm going to do is, how about question number 3? This is 3. This is, I say, 2. This is 1. So question number 3 times 100, because I got 2 decimal. That gives me 95x plus 15y plus, 115y plus 150z is 2800, big number. Okay. So, I don't like big numbers, so you can divide by 5. Okay. So, if you divide by 5, you get 19x plus 23y plus 30z equal to this. When you divide by 5, that's what happened. Okay. So I'm going to call this 3 rather than the other 3. Okay. Same question. That's why. So now I'm looking at, okay, this is first equation. That is second equation. That is third equation. So I'm looking at, I'm going to cancel z, because this is z, this is 1z, 20z, 30z. Okay, so now I'm going to do 1 times negative 20. Okay, so negative 20x minus 20y minus 20z equal to negative 460. I multiply negative 20 to the first one. Now, and I'm going to put equation 2 underneath, which is 10x plus 14y plus 20z. See here, I want to cancel 20. So 344. So if I add to cancel what? Z, I get negative 10x minus 6y equals to negative 116. Is that right? Okay. So now, I don't like all negative. Or you can just leave it there if you want to. I don't care. Just leave it there then. I'm going to do number 4. Now, I have to use first one now and the third one. I use first one and second, but I'm going to use equation 1, equation 3. This is 30 now, so I'm going to multiply equation number 1 by negative 30 now. Okay. So if I multiply 30, it is negative 30x minus 30y minus 30z equal to, when you multiply 30 to 23, so 23 times 3 is 9 and 6, negative 690. Okay, I'm going to put equation 3 underneath. So 19x plus 23y plus 30z equal to 560. So again, I'm going to add these two. Hey, they cancel again, is that right? So negative 11x minus 7y equal to negative 130. So I have number 4 and number 5. Okay. So number 4 is in this. Number 5 is this. So I'm going to now how to solve this one. Okay. So now I don't have a whole lot of choice this time. This question is going to give me a little bit of oh, numbers are big. That's it. Okay. Now, if you want to divide by this guy, divide by 2, number 4, number will get a little smaller, but that's okay now. So I'm going to make 42y. This 42y, this one 42y. So number 1 times 7 is negative 70x minus 42y equal to 116 times 7 is 782. Okay. No, what is it? It's 11. 712. Okay. Let me show you. I mean, you can use a calculator. I don't care. No, the calculator allowed it in this class. So here, again, 116 times 7 is 42, 11, and then 8. Okay, 812 minus 812. This is 800. Okay, so now, and then how about, this is question number 4, right? Okay, 4 times 7. And then I'm going to multiply question number 5 times negative 6. Okay, so I get 66x plus 42y equal to, if I multiply negative 6, 780, positive 780. So this equation becomes this. This equation becomes this. Okay. So now I add those two. Okay. I'm adding those two. So they get canceled. Negative 4x. Negative 4x equal to negative 32, isn't it? Okay. So divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. X equal 8. They sold 8 cup of the smaller size. Okay. Now, how to solve for y? Just go anywhere when x and y you can find. I'll go like number 5. Okay. From number 5, when you plug in x equal 8, negative 88 minus 7y equal negative 130. That means 7y equal to 130 minus 88, which is 52. Okay, 7y is 52. Divided by 130 minus 88 is 240. This is 12 or 42. Sorry about that. 42. So 42. So now divide by 7. That gives me y equals 6. So 6 cups of the medium size. Now I need to find z, so I go anywhere where x, y, z all together. How about the first one? X plus y plus z equal 23. So x plus y plus z equal 23, right? But x equal 8, y equals 6, plus z equal 20, 23. That means 14 plus z equal 23. That means z equal 9. Okay? So this is, I want you to know that this question is not, this is long. Question is long. I mean, solution is long. Okay? But it's not difficult. Difficult question, the long, solution is not the, they're not the same. One line question can be very difficult. Okay? So you just follow the steps, and I'm sure you can understand. And that was number 6. Go to number 7 now. It's pretty much the same as the one that won in the previous one. A dietitian works in a hospital and prepares a meal under the guidance of physicians. Suppose that for a particular patient, the physician prescribes a meal to have 900 calories, 60 grams of protein, and 240 milligrams of vitamin C. So this dietitian has to decide how many servings of each food are required to satisfy the physician's requirement. Okay, so you have 3 type of foods. You have a steak, potato, and sprouts, and each one has number of calories, and then also proteins, and also vitamin C. Okay, so now, how to handle this question? Okay, here. So we need to find number of servings. Okay, let S equal number of steak serving. I'll just say number of steak. Okay, I'm sure you know what that means. And then what's the next one? A potato. Okay, that's the number of potatoes. Okay, right. So this is potato serving, and then or sprouts. Okay, how about sprouts? Oops, let me use different letter for that. Let me use Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I'm gonna use B. Okay, B is number of Brussels sprouts. Okay, so now, we have to satisfy 3 things: calorie, protein, and vitamin C. So S plus P, how many serving? Okay, number of serving. Okay, this is, so I have S plus, steak give me 300 calories, so 300 S gives a lot of calories, steak. And then next one is each potato gives 100 calories, right? 100 P. And then Brussels sprouts give 50. 50 B has to satisfy 900 calories. Okay. And how about protein? Protein is steak has 20 protein per serving plus 5 P plus 5 Brussels sprouts gives has to satisfy 60 grams of protein. And last one is vitamin C. Steak has a 0 vitamin C. Oh my God. I didn't know that. Plus 20 P because potato had 20 milligrams of vitamin C per serving plus 100. Of course, this vegetable has more vitamin C, 100, okay, the table says, and has to have 240. That's what doctor orders. So we're solving this. Okay. So now, if you look at C, I mean, not C. So equation number 3, if I want to 3, this is simply 0s means 0. So I have 20, 100, 240. So this simply means if I divide by 20, 20p plus 100p equal 240. If I divide by 20, okay, you get what? P plus 5b equal 12. That is same as 3. I divide by 20. Okay. This guy has P and B, so I need to eliminate S in what? 1 and 2. Okay, that's what I've been doing. This one in the last section. So I want to eliminate S. Okay. Even that S, okay, here, I want to make it very simple. Number 1, I'm going to divide everything by 50. Then it's going to be 6p plus 6s plus 2p plus 1b is 18. Okay, because 900 divided by 50 is it's a 60. 16. Okay, this is 16 because 900 divided by 50. Okay. Oh, I was right. 18. Okay. That is number 1. Okay. And number 2, I can also divide by 5. So 4s plus p plus b is 12. I'm going to eliminate s. Okay. So this one, I times 2. So 12s plus 4p plus 2b equal 36. And then I'm going to multiply this guy by times -3. So negative 12s minus 3p minus 3b equal negative 36. Okay. So when I add, these two, I get, here, when I add these two, they get canceled. So P minus B equal 0. Okay. What is P minus B equal 0? That means P is same as B. Okay. So the number of serving of P, number of serving of B should be the same. Okay. So now I want to substitute this one, P equal B, to where? 2, 3. So now P plus 5p. Why? Because B and P are the same. This B is same as P equal 12. That means 6p equal 12. That means P equal 2. Then B equal 2 because P equal B. Now we need to find S. So where do you go to S? wherever you have S is. Okay, so I'm gonna go to S. How about you can go to like original expression there, the first one. How about I go to number 2, 25, 5, 60. 20 S plus 5 P 5B plus 5S equal to 25, 5 is 60. This is 60. But what is P is 2? P is 2. So 20S plus 5 times 2 plus 5 times uh, I mean 5 times P, and uh, this is banana, and this is what did I say? How the letter I got confused. SPV, SPV, SP. This is P is 2. Yeah, it's 2. Yeah, all the same. Okay. So, okay. So this is 60. Okay. So this is 20S plus 10 plus 10 equals 60. That means 20S plus 20 equals 60. So when you subtract 20, I have 20S equal 40. That means divide by 20 both sides, S equal to 2. So all you have to do is serving 2 each. Okay, 2 servings of steak, 2 servings of potato, 2 servings of Brussels sprouts. Okay, so all serving will be 2 and 2 and 2. Okay, so that was number 7. Let's go to number 8. Okay, here. A basketball team recently scored a total of 89 points on a combination of 2 points field goals, 3 points field goals, and a 1 point foul shots. Altogether, the team made 48 baskets and 13 more 2 points than foul shots. How many shots of each kind were made? Okay, so like I don't know if you watch basketball, they're like 2 points. If you shoot outside, a certain there's a post. If you make the shot, it is 2 points. If you make the shot outside, it is 3 points, right? If you watch basketball, you know what I mean. Lakers, they won against Houston yesterday. Anyway, so now the foul shot is 1 point. Okay, so each one, this is 2 point shots. Okay, so each one is 2 points. This is 3 point shot. Each one is 3 points. Foul shot. Each one is 1 point. Okay, so first let's define. Let me erase that part, and then how about let X is number of 2 points made. Okay, 2 point shot made. Y is number of 3 points made. And Z is number of free, it's called foul shots. Okay, I'm going to say foul shots made. Okay, so now let's write the equation. Altogether is 89 points. So each 2 points and each 3 point, each 1 point altogether came out to be 89. Okay, and then altogether the team made 48 baskets. 48 baskets. So X plus Y plus Z is 48 baskets. Okay, and then 13 more 2 points, then foul shot. 13 more in 2. So X is 2 point. Foul shot is Z. So X is how many more? 13 plus 13 plus, oops, 13 plus Z. We have this equation. Okay. I think that maybe the best way is, in this case, then, why don't you substitute 13 plus Z for X? 13 plus Z for X. Okay. So if I call number 1, if I call number 2, so number 1 will change to twice of 13 plus Z plus 3Y plus 1Z is 89. That means if you distribute 26 plus 2Z plus 3Y plus Z equal 89. Okay, so now when I combine this together, like Z altogether, 3Y plus 3Z equal, what is 89 minus 26? It is 63. Okay. Now, from 2, when I substitute, it is 13 plus Z plus Y plus Z equal 48. Well, I'm going to this one say number 3. Okay, by the way. And this is 13 plus Z and Z is 2Z plus Y is 48. That means Y plus 2Z equal 48 minus 13 is 35. So I'm going to call this 4. So I have a 3 there. I have a 4 here. Okay. But if you look at 3, if you divide by 3, it simply becomes Y plus Z equal to 21. Okay. Divide by 3. 63 divided by 3 is 21. So I end up at the end getting these two. Okay. So if I subtract, y cancel. So 2Z minus Z. So 35 minus 21 is 14. So 14 of foul shots they made. Okay. So now Z equal 14, then Y is obviously 7. This is 3 points shots. Okay. And then I have Y and Z. All I need is find X. Where are you going to find X? Maybe the second one, X plus Y plus Z equal 48. So X plus Y plus Z equal 48. But we know Y and Z, X plus 7 plus 14 is 48. So X plus 21 is 40. So X is, what is it? 48 minus 21, which is 27. This is 2-point shots. Okay? So you get 1-point shot is 14. Okay. 1-point shot. 2-point shot is 27. 3-point shot is 7.